Guys, this is called her first period, and it's Katrina's first period, hers. So we're gonna pretend like she's still 14, even though she's 16 in 2 months. And she's getting her driver's license in 3, like me. Okay, stop with that ugly giggle. Whatever. It's 4. Wait. Oh my god. Y'all, it's a 4:53 in real life, and it says it's 4:53. Oh god, Toca Boca. Just kidding. Okay, I need to stop. I hate mornings. Why is my backpack right there? I could have sworn I didn't leave it right there. Whatever. Okay, sorry about that. I guess I'll wear my favorite outfit today since it is Monday. Good morning, Fruity. I don't know what a hamster noise makes. Or Guinea pig. I said Guinea. I know it's a guinea pig. But I like to say Guinea. Because my friend has a Guinea. Her sister has a Guinea pig. Well, that's what she says. Guinea pig. Because it's not. Because she has a guinea pig. And she says her sister has a guinea pig. Or guinea pig or whatever. I hate school. Like, my mom is me bad to school. No, never going to have my period any time soon. Alrighty. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna get ready. And yeah, okay. Sunscreen, and I'm not gonna put on any skincare today. Only perfume from Bath and Body Works. Okay. That's a little bit. And that. Well, this. That's good. And now we should figure out a way to do this. I don't know how I'm going to do it though, because this doesn't fit. But whatever. My homework does not fit in my backpack, so I have to hold it. Oh yeah, I forgot about that hack. Where if it doesn't fit, make it fit. Which they mean, try to fold it so it doesn't so it just has teeny tiny indents, so it just looks like a crumbled paper. And then say, the dog accidentally sat, and I'll just say, my dog accidentally sat on it, or not accidentally, sat on it, but yeah. Because nobody's gonna believe my dog ate my homework. That's just stupid. Anyways, put this on. Okay, hurry up. Don't know if anybody else is awake. I hope so. Okay, pretend like we're asleep, y'all, because I'm not about to do that. Why am I even knocking? They're probably still asleep. Oh my god, I'm about to kill myself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I need to go on mute for 2 seconds. Not actually 2 seconds, but you know what I mean. Alright. Also, the important thing I had to do, obviously. Okay. Wasn't really important, but I just wanted to do it, get it over with. OMG! Kids are gonna be so late for school if they don't wake up like this instant. I'm gonna start waking up Christian first. Oh God, I'm literally about to cry because they're probably not gonna wake up. Wake up! Okay, sorry guys. Restart. Oh my God. He went to sleep with his door locked? Oh no, he did not. He's grounded after today. After school. Guys, no, I think I can find a bigger knife. Okay, yeah. Down over here. Right here. Oh no, he did not. Puts the knife on the floor. Opens the door. Oh yeah. What was his name? Okay, I remember now. Christian Johnson Jensen. Did he just go back to sleep to his full name? Wait, what? You said my full name? Yes. I'm taking away your electronics. Why? Because you locked your door. Then he went to sleep. Oh. I thought you did it. But you didn't even put this up to show that you're sleeping. So I knocked on your door like so many times. And guess what? You weren't asleep. That's why you put it up, so I know you're asleep. So I don't have to keep aggressively knocking and then tell you and then ground you because you weren't awake. So I had to knock like a bajillion times. Okay, sorry about that, Mom. I'm not taking any apologies. Sorry, guys, I know she was in the bath. No. I'm going to be taking away your locking door privileges. But Mom, geez, that's funny. But anyways, Mom, how are you gonna do that? I can still lock my door if you take away my locking door privileges. No. Whenever you want to lock your door because your sister or somebody is annoying you, you come tell me and I'll put your lock back on. What do you mean? I'm taking your lock off. What? I'm taking your lock off and that's final. Because you always do this. You make me freak out that somebody kidnapped you. And then when you're not in there, it's most likely because you're in the restroom. And then you make me freak out. And then you remember that one time I called the cops? Wait, I don't know. Yeah. That was because of you not staying in your sleep. You stay your sleep in the middle of the morning if you're in the restroom or you're not in your room. So you know. So when I open the door and you're not in there, I know you're in the restroom. But what if I actually got kidnapped and that was still I'll come in, then I'll knock on the restroom door and ask if you're there. I mean, if you don't respond, then I can call the cops. But what if I'm in the kitchen eating a midnight snack? Then I'll go into the kitchen. I'm gonna check every single place you could. I'm gonna check every single inch of this house. Okay? But you're not gonna get kidnapped. This has extra security because there's like 14 million cameras in this house and in your room because there's a literal window right there. So we have like a bajillion cameras. But what if I'm changing? What if I start changing? What if I change in there? You don't change in there. I know you. You change in the restroom. There's no windows in the restroom and no possible way you could go in the restroom. I know but like you have to come through a window or something. So that's why we have a bajillion cameras in your room, like every centimeter, millimeter of your room. Look, literally, you have a camera on you right now. What? I'm kidding. We don't have. That's why we always need to keep that pen around. It has a camera on it, so you know if you're in trouble or not. So when you take it off, like we don't see that you're changing. Because nobody's going to kidnap you while you're naked. Or you're still changing. They're going to wait for you to start changing, to finish changing. Then they're going to kidnap you. Even though they have no patience. Okay? I know that because I got kidnapped once. Well, twice actually. Because when I was a little girl, we lived in the most ghetto-ist neighborhood, and there was a lot of serial killers. Okay, so that's how I know what kidnapping is like. And you haven't remembered, your sister got kidnapped 3 years ago. Okay, I get it. I know that you know what. Yeah? Okay.
It's 5 in the morning, girl.
It's 5 in the morning?
Yes. You're doing on the walk.
I'm getting on the walk.
Whatever you're doing, turn the light on.
Okay. Well, I'm so grown. Okay, I get it. You know what kidnapping is like. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Don't give me attitude. Don't talk back to me. Okay. Don't say that or else. Okay, you know what? I'm actually going to take this away. I was just joking, but I'm actually going to take them away. What? No, Mom. I don't care. I'm taking them away whether you like it. Whether you like it or not. Guys, I just fell off my chair. Sorry about that. Okay. I'm taking these away from him since he wants to give me attitude. And I'm putting them in my safe. I can't put that in my safe, but I'll put this in my safe, and then I'll block my closet. Or actually, I'll put this in the restroom because he knows that he has his own restroom because he never uses this one. Like, nobody uses his restroom. That's his restroom for him. Nobody uses it. We all have our own restrooms. Even the twins. I don't know why somebody would use that restroom. Because we all have our own restrooms. And I know that my husband will never need to use the restroom when I need to use the restroom. And he can hold it. I know it. I've been with him for 16 years. By the way, guys, she's 34. Get it together, Amy. Okay. And she started dating when she was like 15. Met him when she was like 10 to 20. I forgot. And then I don't know when she started dating him. Probably like 19 or something. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, she's actually 30. And then she's been dating him and dating him for 16 years and married to him for 8. So she was 22. That's what she got. Oh, shoot. For 2 years when she was 28. Because I thought about somebody could get married at 22. She was a minor when she got married. Also, guys, I found my teacher, like my old teacher's TikTok account. It's teaching in Tejas. I don't even know what it says. It says teaching in Tejas or Tejas or Tetris. So I don't know. Chess. It says TEGAS, and there's teaching _in_ Tejas. Or, I don't know. Tejas. I just hit my head. Okay, whatever. And he knows never to go in my restroom. So, guys, okay. They are getting ready anyways. At least I hope. Mom, the toddlers won't wake up. Excuse me? Did you just say what I think you just said? They won't wake up? Oh, no, they didn't. Guys, I don't know if I already did this part, but whatever. Oh, yeah, no. That was a different video. I have so many bruises. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom part of my legs because I always keep falling, and then on the top of my legs I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait. 12. I'm all bruised up. Okay, that was from 2020. I don't even know where it was from. Whatever's. Guys, wake up for daycare. I want to. You better get up and put on that cologne, Miss Boy. Miss Boy? Yep, I'm going to keep calling you Miss Boy. It's pretty cold outside. I'm going to keep calling you Miss Boy if you keep talking to me like that, bestie. What?
Do you know where any black tape is?
No. Get out.
Fine, I'll be out.
Oh, yeah. Whatever about that. I don't know why I said whatever about that. Okay, so my brother just came in. Wake up now. Okay. Don't talk to me like that. You're talking to me like that first. Don't keep saying to me. What the heck? Oh, no, you just didn't. Oh, yes? I just did. Where are you getting this attitude from, Sissy? She does not give me attitude. Yes, she does. She does. Attitude? Now walk off. That's not giving me attitude. Wait, for real? Don't say for real to me. That's like disrespectful. It might be. That's weird, mommy. Don't be rude. That's disrespectful. I mean, obviously, mommy. Don't say obviously. That's extremely rude. Why can't she hold it? Bro, what the heck? Who cares? That just got your Apple Pen taken away for the day. What? That's rude. You're rude first. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Y'all can bring y'all's iPads. Get in trouble. Or, not you, Cooper. Take it out in the car. I completely forgot. I didn't make a car. I'm so stupid. Didn't make a stupid car. Not stupid. You know what I mean. Didn't make a freaking car. I'm so sorry for saying freaking. Are you ready yet? Yes, I've been ready. Did you? Are you serious? Yes, I'm serious. I honestly don't even care at this point. Okay, everybody get out to the car now. Hurry. Okay, Jesus, Mom. Don't speak of Jesus' name in that honor roll. Honor roll? Yes, it's called an honor roll. Are you stupid or something? I'm so sorry for saying stupid, but like, it'll be good. I'm just so tired, and I can't even explain it. Okay, I don't really care. Excuse me. I was kidding. Chill. No, I'm never chill. If you are going to talk to me like that, it's just honestly rude. I know. Then why do you talk to me like that? Because I can. Now stop acting like everything hurts you. By the way, guys, it's a blue car. Oh, no, you did just not. Such a rude explanation. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. My God. God. I hate myself. Okay, I need to get that out of my head. Oh shoot, it was Jordan. Oh, the hey, yeah. We don't say Osaka. Okay? I mean, CK. Y'all know what I mean, alright? Then, good. Y'all know what I mean, right? Right? I don't weird. Okay, guys, I'm being cringe right now. I need to stop. For real, though. Like, I actually need to stop. This is getting kind of weird. I will throw up. I don't know why I'm saying it. That's what I get. It's so weird. Alright. We get it. I'm weird, okay? I'm weird. We know. Need to point it out. Guys, I know nobody's pointing it out. Don't take it seriously. Please. Pretty please. ADHD. I don't even really know what that means. I want water. I want water. Okay, there you go. I made the car, guys. We good here. I'm not fully done though. Sadly, I think it was here. I don't remember. Y'all. Help. Okay, I need to stop. For real, though. I actually can't keep doing that. That's actually kind of weird. Cringe. It's hard to say, I know. Kidding, y'all. Kidding. Okay, I need to stop for real. Guys, why do y'all have your stuff? Because you told us to? No, I did not. Get your stuff away. You even put our stuff. I don't care what it's called. Alright. You got it. Okay, guys, I kind of want to make the other character already. You know what? I'm making another character. Because I need it for the... Yo, what the heck? For the, like... You know, thing. Okay, that's cute. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Wait, that's skin tone, right? Okay, yeah. That's the skin color, right? I'm all drawn up. I'm all drawn up. Okay, it's gonna be a very dark, cause it's like a mixture, I guess. And guess what? It's another girl. Oh, that's cute. I need that. Okay, I guess I'll do like something like that. Not that, but like something like that. That's cute. That's cute. It's giving cute vibes. Oh no, that's cute. It's cute. Oh no, I changed my mind. I don't care. Wait, that's happening. Nope. I like this one better. No matter how it looks. Okay. We're going to do this one. We're also going to do this one. No, this one. No, okay, this one. And then we're going to do this one. No, this one. No, this one. Definitely this one. No, for sure. No changes now. Definitely this one. And then this one. And then that one. And then this one, that one, that one, this one, that one, this one, that one. Dios, tuanta. Las amigo. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying. Yo, help. Why do I not have an iPad yet? It's called a tablet. And the reason you do not have one yet is because you're too young. You are the youngest in this whole entire family. Like, you're even younger than me. Yeah, that's actually kind of true. Kind of? It's completely true. Yeah, that's true. Yo, stop bickering back there. We're not gonna stop bickering, Mommy, until you stop bickering with us. Excuse me? You know what? That's a timeout once we get home. Once y'all get home from school. We don't go to school. We go to daycare. So, don't be smart with me, young lady. Okay, whatever you say, Mama. Don't call me Mama. I hate it. Alright, we're almost there. Okay, I don't. Do you want another song on? No! Okay, damn. Dang, I mean dang, guys. I mean dang. Dang it. Excuse me. You're not allowed to say that, Mia, until I'm... yeah, Mia. Okay, guys, I'm changing Oakland's name to Maya. And his name to Tommy. And yeah. Okay, Tommy, you don't talk to her like that. And Mia, no, don't talk to me like that. No. You are not. Well, you're not talking to me badly, but you are not allowed to say that. That is for 8s and up. But mommy, we're 4. 3 and up. I'm 3. 4 and up. Oh, okay. I'm 3 and 4 months. Doesn't look like I care. But it's gonna be my birthday. Well, actually, they can't even say it. So you have to be 8 and up in order to say dang. Dang it. Darn it. Darn it is even worse. Okay. You're not allowed to say anything that starts with a D. I can't even say don't. No, like dang, damn, darn. Anything related to damn, you cannot say. Ugh, it's so annoying, Mommy. Where do you all get this attitude from? Sissy. You. Yeah, you, actually. I don't know why we said sissy. We got it from you. Children like mother. Daughter and son like mother. Daughters like mother. Son like mother. Daughter like son. Mother like daughter. Mother like son. Father like daughter. Daughter like mother. I don't know. Mommy, just leave it. Yeah, just leave it, Mommy. You just leave it. No, you just leave it. Excuse me? I don't know why I'm bickering with a 4-year-old. I'm literally 30. Okay, guys. She's 34, and they've been married for 4 years, okay? Okay, just get it together. And they've been dating for 20 years. Alrighty then, guys. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, your sister and brother's school is closer. Guys, don't forget the title. Oh, why they get it off? Get off, kids. I don't want to. Don't you want to get into title after school? No, like a little kid. I said no, Mom. Thank you for correcting yourself. You're welcome, I guess. You guess? I know. How do you... Okay, whatever. I can't decide whether you should live or die. She hates makeup, y'all. I'm kidding. She loves makeup, but not right now. I literally hate class. You think I don't? Of course I think you do. I bring your homework. That's where it went. What are you doing? I'm bored. What the hell? Why is it singing Squid Game Mingle? I honestly do not freaking know. Don't say freaking, you're not allowed to yet. I'm allowed to say bleep, and you're not. What do you mean? I'm allowed to say bleep too. You just said the F word. Yeah, you can tell mom all you want, but I'm allowed to say bleep. Oh, I'm telling you, mom. You said it multiple times. You said bleep, 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 bleep. Like, bleep. Did you just say bleep? Like 14 times? Maybe. I'm telling you, mom, you're going to be in trouble AF. Guys, as freak, no cussing. We say bleep, but we don't say the actual bad words in short time. I don't know why I said time, but like short way. Short, whatever. They split the homework. Okay, come on, let's go. That's my seat. Oh, never mind. You can have it. But I am going to sit right there. Ma'am, that's my brother. So you're going to sit as far as possible away from me and my brother. And yeah, you could be closer to her because I don't like her. Yo, why do I have to sit closer to her? She looks like a freak. What? I look like a freak to you. Look at that. You made her cry. You made her cry first. I didn't even touch her. I didn't even say anything to her. You made her go away. That made her feel bad. Yeah, and you called her a freak, which made her cry. Yeah, because it made her more sad. Because I'm her crush. Yeah, she probably got rejected by multiple people, so why is this a new to her? Bro, don't say that about a girl. That's kind of rude. I don't care. Feels an explosion in her face. I know it's cringe, but like, just bear with me. What? Girl business. Take this. Teacher, can I please go to the restroom? Why? I love my dot. What's a dot? Do you know that thing? Like, dot, what goes at the end of the sentence? A period? I'm on that. Oh, go now. Grabs the jacket, puts it around her waist. I'm glad it was just my brother. That's kind of weird to say in front of your brother, but like, it's your brother. It's family. It doesn't matter. I bet some people even tell their dads they have their periods. Get out! We all have our periods, honey. Do you need help? No, I know how to put on a pad. Okay, now get out. Girl, I know how to panties. I know! You're also a girl. Guys, I don't know if this is a boy or a girl. Just pretend like it is. This is a ladies' restroom. Of course it's a girl. So get out. Now. I don't like you, Edie. I don't like people while I'm on my period. Mood swings. Get out. Okay. Get your stupid backpack and leave. I'm on a period too, Dick. Then you shouldn't be here. What do you mean? OMG, I never thought I would have to do this. This is so weird. Why do I have to have my period at such a young age? Oh, shoot. This is so annoying. I didn't even know that it was coming. Oh my god. This is so weird. I can't believe I'm on my period already. I mean, I'm 14. This is... Of course I'm gonna have my period. Guys, why did she look like that? Why does she look like that? Why would you say that? That's gross. Does it look like I care? Kind of. Ew, you're weird then. How? Periods are normal to happen with a girl. No, they aren't. I'm pretty sure only like some girls. Not only some. Like some girls don't have their periods. Huh? I don't get it. Yeah, because you're a stupid boy. You don't get period stuff. Okay, neither do you. This is your first time. Does it look like I care? Did you just brush your hair with someone else's brush? Sir, can I contact my mother, please? Kids these days, go ahead. Take the stupid homework. Why do you need to? It's an emergency. Y'all, where's her phone? Didn't I even bring her phone? I swear to God. I don't think I did. Please tell me that's her phone right there. No! Okay, guys, just pretend like she has her phone. Alright, because she doesn't. Oh, no. Emails, Mom. Mom, I just got my period. I knew it. I knew you would need those pads on handy. Mom, I need you to pick me up. Oh. Please pick me up, Mom. Ugh, okay, I'll be right there. I'm coming right now. I feel so sad for her. I can't believe she's going through this already. It feels so scary. I'm gonna go to Rabo to get her something because I know she loves everything here. I'll get her these. She loves Neapolitan. And yeah. Got it, and she's probably also gonna want boba, so I'll also get her boba with that. She loves her purple boba, and yeah. Should I get her more food? Because I know she's gonna be hungry for this. Period craving. Oh yes, I can't forget dark chocolate. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna get a random thing and put it in chocolate. Okay, so just pretend like this is dark chocolate. All right, don't. Okay, don't. Just don't. Okay. I don't like being on my period. Oh, I have so many cramps. It hurts so bad. I hate period cramps. What the heck is wrong with this? It hurts so bad. Oh, this is so annoying. I hate it. Oh, shoot. The mood swings are starting. I'm here. Mom, the mood swings are starting. Oh no, baby. I'm so sorry. Okay, Here is your food. Thank you so much, Mommy. Mommy? Yeah. Thank you so much. That tastes so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Mom. No problem. Go ahead and play Roblox with your friends on your laptop, because most of them miss school. Okay. By the way, guys, this is for the roleplay. Things what I get decide. You should live or die. Stitch elevator. Oh, we're going. No noobs. Puppet Master, do not cross. Okay. Yo, this is so cool. Look at everybody. Liz, look at everybody. Oh, gee, yeah, that's a lot of people. Why do we sound like kids? I don't know. Oh, okay, alright, okay. Well, guys, I have to come back later. I'm so sorry. I'm doing something right now. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. I gotta go. Bye, y'all.